config assurance side.
Okay. So this is a recorded demo. What I'm going to show here is basically I'm logging into the to the vRops here, and we're going to look at the alert screen here. So standard stuff here, some of the compliance alerts we see here, but we don't see any additional alerts that we're going to create by being non-compliant, right? So what I'm going to do here is go to switch the screen to my NSX manager, and going to manually go and change some of the settings on my edge. So right now it's compliant. I'll create a condition which is non-compliant condition, and yeah. So okay. So what I'm going to do here is go into the settings of the syslog. I'm going to say, hey, make it to 48 from 49. 49 was the compliant thing. 48 is non-compliant, right? So I'm either doing a typo or not changing it. So it's changed to .48. What I'm going to do next is going to do the firewall and say, hey, I'm going to disable the firewall on my edge. So I did do the disable, publish that particular policy. Firewall service is now disabled on my edge. Now what it does is, after the next polling cycle that the vRops does, it's going to basically look at these properties, do a comparison of what the status looks like, and then it's going to basically create two alerts here. One is that syslog is incorrect. It's a custom alert that we created just to do the comparison, and then the second one is that firewall service on edge is disabled. So easy to know, basically which service, if a particular service needs to be enabled, how do you capture, whether it's enabled or not. This is the reason why since we clicked on that particular alert, we say, hey, .48 not equal to .49, which is why it's raising the alarm. Let me show you how I created this particular alert. So I go into the content side, and then basically go to the alerts, search for syslog, and what I'm doing is basically saying, hey, syslog configuration is not compliant. Basically, I'm getting the string, the property that I found from that particular object, and comparing against a particular